Do you suffer from noisy neighbours? Doesn't matter if it's at home or at work, I have the answer for you. My name's Philip, I'm the Crystal Healer, and if you like videos like this one, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment or share this video across social media. And pyrite is the answer that you need. It's so simple. All you need is a piece of pyrite, actually lots of pieces of pyrite, and you put a piece of pyrite on each one of your windows, or on your window ledges, or by doors, or against a desk that's next to you where the noise is coming from. So wherever that noise is coming from, you just put the pyrite there. Smaller pieces as well, really useful. And literally just put one on each windowsill to stop the noise coming in. Nice and short, nice and simple. It's also really good for digestion, gut, but digesting ideas as well, so not just food but ideas, and you get sparks of inspiration with it. Try surrounding yourself with pyrite, and I hope you find that helpful. And if you like this video, then come and join me again soon. Thank you.